Hello, and welcome to my stream. Today, in this beginning of November, what I got for you is Dexter laundry training for those of you who are in the vicinity of Marietta, Georgia. You need to register for this class by tomorrow. Sorry for the short notice. Class is not actually until November 9th. Usually they do this because they, need to order food, that kind of thing, sandwiches or pizza. It all depends on how many people show up, how many people they plan on entertaining is what they're going to do. So they're going to order how many cookies, how many chips, that type of thing. So, Southeastern Laundry Equipment Sales is the one that's hosting this. All right, 1105 Shauna Court, Suite 1 in Marietta, Georgia. They do ask that you go to their website, SELAUNDRY.com /fall-open-house. So it's SELaundry.com. You go to the link, go to their website. I have it scrolling across the bottom. It will take you to the page that you see before you, which has you fill out your name, your phone number, your email, your store name, which is going to be your business name. And then hit verify that you're not spam. Hit submit so you can be registered for this class where you get to talk to the distributor. You get to set up your parts account. Set up your parts account. So when you are working on a unit, you can go swing on over there, pick it up same day if you're close enough. Other than that, then you can just order it online. But if you really want to go ahead and take care of your customer, you can just swing on by, and they always have good information for you, the local distributors. Plus, there are customers that don't fit their criteria, shall we say, that still need to be taken care of, and they're looking for somebody to dump them off on, and you could be that person. Whether that's some kind of a multi-family type of situation or some kind of apartment complex where they don't want to pay the distributor the way that they want to, and they're still looking to get them serviced. If you buy the parts from them, they will give you all those kind of customers. They will give you all those customers that don't abide by their billing requirements. All right. So class is not actually until November 9th, but they want you to sign up by tomorrow. That gives them enough time to get enough seats and things like that together for the class. All right. And this is for all of you that do commercial laundry. The equipment is going to be there. Dex is very good about having online how-to videos, but you can go there. You can ask people, talk to the technicians that are there, get contact information. It's a very good experience. All right. And with that, catch you all on the next one. Have a good one.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry.